Alicia, this is Becky. I got your email about creating categorical variables, and I must admit I do it kind of old school, but it doesn't take very long and I think it's pretty effective. So let's use this Career Center Career Advising variable, the continuous variable for our example. So here you can see we're going to use this source variable to create this new categorical variable. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. And we're going to switch the values so that 0 visits is going to be the value 1, 1 visit is the value 2, and 2 or more visits is the value 3 in the new categorical variable. So now I've got that in mind. I'm going to go to my SPSS file. I've just found the Career Center Career Fair variable that is our source variable. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a new variable right here. So I just go right click to insert. I'm actually going to copy these values and paste them into the new variable's values. So I'm just going to copy and paste. So right now these are just mirror copies of each other. But now I need to put in the new name for the categorical variable. So I just double click, paste in that. Whoa! That didn't work so well. That was crazy, wasn't it? I accidentally pasted in all those values. I'm just going back to recopy the name of that variable. I kind of got to do a redo here. So now let's just copy, paste. Okay, so I've created the new name. We've got the source variable. I've just duplicated the values here in this new variable we created. And now next I want to sort the values in ascending order. So we're starting with 0, and let's just go all the way to the bottom and see what we're looking at here. And they go all the way up to 45. So remember, we want anything that is 2 or more visits to have a new value of 3. So I'm just going to go up to the first incident of where we have 2 values, or 2 visits to the career advising. Okay, we're in the 2s. Just got to go to the top of the 2s. There are lots of them. Okay, so remember, anything that's 2 or more, we're going to recode that into be the value 3. So I've added in a 3, and I'm just going to copy that. And then I'm going to just highlight all of the remaining values in this column down to the 45. I already have that 3 copied, so I'm just going to do Control V to paste. So that's good. Now in our data set, anything that was 2 or more is 3. And now next we want to rekey all of the 1s and turn those into 2. So our new categorical value of 2 equates to 1 visit. So now we can just do simple searches and replace. So I'm going to highlight the whole column here. I'm going to do Control F. I'm searching for 1s and replacing with 2s. And you want to be sure you're doing it in this order, not replacing all of the 0s and changing them into 1s, because then you'll accidentally overwrite that other value that you just created. So I'm changing all of the 1s into 2s. And so now I can change all of the 0s into 1s. 0s, 1, replace all. There are lots of those. So now I'm going to go back into the variable view and find that new variable we're just working on. This is career advising. Wow, somehow I've gotten that column to be really wide, which it doesn't need to be, but that is a problem for me to fix later. But I've lost my place. Okay, so we're in the new categorical variable for career advising. I'm going to just adjust this label so we know that it's the categorical one. And then under values, we're going to just enter in the codes. So 1 equals 0 visits, 2 equals 1 visit, 3 equals 2 or more visits. And there are no missing values, so we are good to go. So I'm saving my work. Now let's go here and do quick descriptive statistics to see how things look. And they look as I would expect. We've got 0 visits, 1 visit, and 2 or more. So I hope that helps. Give it a try and let me know.